Hi friends, recently I was on a quick trip to Chennai from Bengaluru, and I was at the cantonment station here in Bengaluru waiting for the train. I took the double-decker express train from Bengaluru. It leaves Kempegowda railway station at around 2:30 p.m. and arrives at cantonment station here. It's about 2:50 p.m. now. I travelled by the AC chair car compartment. The cost for this ticket was rupees 600. The journey duration is around 6 hours. It's a double-decker compartment over here. So there are seats above and beneath as well. The train is just started from cantonment. This is the charger port also they have for the mobile. And this is the tray table. It's a pretty congested seat, not much leg space, but it's a single seat that I got. So I'm just working here too on my laptop, and it's a single seat as you can see, but not much leg space to stretch actually. This train halts at major stations like Vellore, Katpadi, etc. I just took some chai. I think it was rupees 10 or so. There are snacks that keep coming through the course of the journey. So this is the seat from the other angle. So finally arrived at the MGR Chennai Central railway station in Chennai. The time now is around 9:15 p.m. So it took about 6 hours and 20 minutes or so, which is pretty reasonable for this ticket. The Chennai railway station is pretty lively at night as well, as you can see. There are a lot of shops like milk stall and other snacks counters where you can have a quick cuppa or take that quick bite before your journey starts or ends. This is the railway station from outside. It looks pretty awesome. The British architecture. Just walking around. Here is the metro station attached to the Chennai Central. And this is the Greater Chennai Corporation office, which looks super awesome, illuminated at night, all blue color. So that's all in this short vlog, folks, about my quick Chennai trip. See you in the next one. Until next time, take care and thanks for watching.